Hola, timid investors. This is Tara here from the channel She Saves, He Invests, They Travel, bringing to you personal finance strategies and travel tips that work for ordinary people. Please remember to like and subscribe. In today's video, I will be explaining to you why Chris and I decided to close our Acorns accounts. Specifically, I will go over 3 things. 1, our reasons for closing our account. 2, I will provide a screen recording tutorial step-by-step of how to close your Acorns account should you ever want to do so. And 3, I'll show you that it worked because the money was refunded from my Acorns account to my personal bank account. So if that sounds good to you, vámonos! Chris wrote to me his reasons why he closed his Acorns account, and I'm just going to read them to you. I closed my account because I was using it as a long-term investment account, so like an IRA, a pension, or a 401k, for example. Acorns is a taxable account. I prefer to put my money in an account that is not taxable, like my Betterment account. For me, Acorns was a fun way to save money, but in terms of growing my money, Betterment was the better option. Okay, so that's why Chris closed his Acorns account. I closed the initial Acorns account that I opened because it wasn't the right type of IRA that I needed. Then I opened their smaller save-as-you-go type accounts, and I eventually closed those too. I noticed I wasn't making much money. The return on investment wasn't very high, and the fees were pretty high and pretty frequent. I had other accounts like Betterment, like Uphold, like Robinhood, for example, where there were very low or no fees, and the return on investment was much higher. Log into your Acorns account. As you can see, if you click on your performance, I have not performed very well. In the past 10 months since I opened the account, I've only made $47, which is an 11% return, but just over 11% on such a tiny number wasn't worth it to me. I didn't invest very much, only about $25 a month. And if you see the summary of gains and losses, it basically says 0 for some reason. And this made me wonder if that was because of the fees. The $3 monthly subscription fees amount to $36 a year, but as you can see, I only made $47 total in profit, and there were more than just subscription fees. The breakdown of the fees are as follows, and there's actually 3 different types of charges. There's an Acorn subscription charge, an Acorn program charge, and an investment advisory charge. You can read about them in your Acorn statement. Okay, once you've done that, click on Profile and Settings. Click on My Subscription on the left-hand side. You can see my account is active. Click on scroll all the way down and click on Cancel Your Subscription. Click on Get Started. Select a reason for canceling your subscription. I selected poor investment performance, and I left a note. I said that I'm not making any money from these investments and that the charges are too high. I'm also unemployed and have been for the better part of a year. I have a Betterment, IRA, Robinhood, and Uphold accounts, all of which are outperforming my Acorns account. Okay, click on Next. Click on the red button Withdraw and request closure. Are you sure? Continue. You can see that the closure is in progress. It says that it may take 3 to 6 business days to settle your shares and to have the money in your account. We know I closed my account successfully because I received a series of emails saying that my subscription had been successfully canceled. Also, you can see in my bank account that the money was refunded.